Hi, everyone. It's time for a coffee break. Would you like to learn how to deduct the interest on your mortgage? I'm going to teach you how. Many of you have a mortgage outstanding, which is what it is. But if you are fortunate enough to also have an investment portfolio, you may consider using your investments to pay off your mortgage and then refinance your mortgage again using the proceeds to go back into your investment portfolio. In doing so, the paper trail shows that you borrowed money for the purposes of investing, as opposed to your original starting point, which was borrowing money to purchase your home. CRA guidelines and rules allow for interest expenses on monies borrowed to be deducted as long as the proceeds were used for the purpose of generating taxable income. So if you borrow money to invest in a portfolio that is generating interest and dividend income, then generally you can deduct the interest expense associated with borrowing the money. So I'm not suggesting that you go out and borrow money for the purposes of investing as purely a leverage strategy. That's a whole other discussion and a whole other risk profile. But for those of you who already have a mortgage outstanding and have an investment portfolio, you simply use your investments to pay off your mortgage. Remortgage again can be on the same day or within a couple of day period to then put that back into an investment portfolio that generates dividend and interest income. Now the interest expense is tax deductible. So if you have a $300,000 mortgage and a $300,000 investment portfolio, and let's say your mortgage was at a 3.5% rate, then your first year you would generate over $10,000 worth of a tax deduction. And if you're at a 40% tax bracket, that generates a $4,000 tax savings. Pretty substantial. Now, of course, there's a few things you need to be mindful of. Make sure it's suitable for you, and you may trigger some capital gains tax in the process of implementing this strategy. So reach out to a financial advisor, contact us at thewealthylife.com for more details. And that wraps up this edition of our coffee break. See you next time.